Fort Myers Train Show this weekend. See what we saw there and see what we got. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This weekend we went to the Fort Myers Train Show, sponsored by Scale Rails of Southwest Florida. And what did I get there? I got a couple of buildings. They're DPM buildings. I already have these. They're already painted, but I might have to repaint them. And I got a sawdust burner, all for the price of $5. Also, in the kit department from Yankee Dabbler, Break Time Cranberry Warehouse. Railroad kits, HO scale structure, resin details. I never did any of these, but it's worth a try. 60 bucks. The guy Yankee Dabbler, he wouldn't budge on the price. It was $62.75 on here. He finally gave it to me for 60 bucks. He wouldn't go any lower than that. And I got some books. I got the Pennsylvania Railroad, Pictorial History. American Locomotives, 1900 to 1950. Trains in Transition. Okay. And I just dropped them everywhere. American Railroad Stations and Steam Trains, an American Portrait. And I got 3 books on the floor. But anyway, that's what we got. I'm going to show you the train show here. There was 3 layouts, 1 for sale, 1 sold, and 1 not for sale. And Scale Rails built one in a matter of 6 weeks. An HO scale one is for sale. That's the big one. I'll show you that. There was a G scale one there, not for sale. He just likes to go to shows. And there was one from Metro Trains and Hobbies that they already sold. It was this N scale one. And I'll have a few shots of that also. But anyway, here it is, the train show. 2019. All right. A lot of people here all day long. Dave, your order is ready. 7 for $20. Old Tyco cars. There's Chattanooga. With horn hook couplers on them. Another Chattanooga. That one's Union Pacific. Those look like O scale right there, those kits. Okay, here we go with HO. $5 each. Those are over there, $4. 7 for 20 again. They all got the horn hook couplers on them. Yep. Nice heavy duty 35. Clenbon.
Mind if I take a look at this one second? How much? $3? And that's an old pricing on that box. Which one is it? The helium car? That's probably about a $40 car.
There you go, all the numbers are the same. This is a brand new modular railroad that it said it's only 6 weeks old in HO.
I have a Walther's turntable, but I think I have the first edition controller. It looks nothing like that. It's plain gray. And I've seen this kind, and I saw another kind as they come out since.
Yeah, there's a newer version than this, which is much more DCC friendly. Yeah.
It's like half trash. I don't know.
21, the bell's on. Hold on, maybe I can. Wait.
Let's get an overall view of the place. They're selling some stuff up here. Last year they had a couple of small layouts up here. There's Yankee Dabbler over there. I have to see that one yet. There's the layout that they're raffling off. It's an HO scale this year. There's the raffle table. Okay. They got a new layout over there, and then they got a G-scale layout. And it looks pretty busy today.
And we're gonna, sell it for the good of the club. And if we sell it, if we don't, we'll be here next year.
Okay, thanks.
A lot of man hours on it. Yes. This one here we put together. We have it up for sale, $4,500. But if not, we'll keep it and use it to travel with. Our big N scale that we used to bring here, these guys just got sold. It was a lot of work to bring it and set it up, and we were starting to destroy it. So we made a decision to not. So it's over at the club. Like, you go over there, oh yeah. We have our big layouts are over there, so they'll never kick us out because we own the building. We bought it finally. Paid it off 2 years ago. We're on operation. We have 18 trains running on the same tracks at one time. We can physically run up right across that. We can do a ticket to get in and the address. It's on Tiny Road. Yeah, the best way today to get there because of the parade and oh, then you're right there. So you know where Tiny Road is. We're only open during the week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll bring it through later.
Is the Wonder Complex based on a prototype somewhere?
To be honest with you, we just built this in the last 6 weeks, and it was at somebody else. This is the first time I've seen it. But it's probably built on some type of a prototypical. The guy that would know, the guy in the Vietnam hat over there and the white hair sitting down at the layout over there, by the raffle layout, he's the president of the club. He's the one that built this.
Okay, thank you.
He can tell you everything about it. I can't keep up. I just think I get over there on our layout over there.
So you're using Digitrax?
Yeah, all our stuff is Digitrax. Now the raffle layout, I think, is NEC.
Yeah, that's what I have. Is that big one over there? Well,
Yep,
that's what the hobby shop suggested.
That's the first layout we've ever raffle layout we built at DCC. Everything else was DC. Yeah, that's a good system too. We just went with Digitrax when it first came out and did everything we wanted to do. Yeah, we were sweating it for a while. If they closed up or went bankrupt or something. But no, they're pulling back. So.
Great. Really.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Probably April. We're in the testing stage right now. We're testing it. Sorry.
size right now. Chesapeake and Ohio.
Just battery life. Why do we do that? How are you doing? Yes. We'll find out soon.
Is ours the size of it?
No, this is the gym. Where we at? What the reason?
So is all this? Yes. Everything is just laid out. The trees are exactly what. The only thing is green. Now, we only have 2 days. That one's not That's a climax. That's a 2-truck climax. Now,
She's off the train and take on model
We have some resale stuff, but nobody in our club does it. We inherited them and we're actually preparing them to pass them on. Yeah, Z-scale is expensive. Yeah, we have that.
To align it, I just go to program, go set. This is how you program it originally. Is that good from there? You've got a better sight than me. Okay.
tracks too.
Plastic kits in HO. Old ones, really old ones. And some already built. Plastic bill. Never know, those are really old.
Imagine what my electric bill would be, man.
Oh yeah. Get the other one going down.
So is this G scale? Or?
Yeah, that's G scale, yeah.
You want 21 on it? You want 21 on it?
Imagine what's just a car in that cost right?
How they running? They running back.
Remember when we came with the G scale club here?
Yeah.
Years and years ago.
Well, we tried to get the garden ready to come up there.
I'm the last I think I Yeah.
But we tried to get a hold of you guys to come in.
Well, we don't have anybody left down there. Left over down there. We used to come and we met down at the big hall down there. We used to set up this way. We had 8-10 engines running in the
That's somebody you want to meet too if you want to run radio control.
No, I just like mine.
There you go. Okay, you too. Thank you.
You selling this? It's sold. It's sold.
Yep, it's sold.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that.
But we'll build another one for you. Any layout you want.
Now, how much are you selling for like this? How much are you selling for like this?
25.
25 bucks?
Yeah, right. 2,500 with everything.
Yeah.
The guys at the museum down there have an engine that says it's DCC and it works for you, but they don't know if it has sound reason. Can you walk out this?
I hope you like that one. I have another one coming up of the clubhouse. They did a little bit more on the one area that I showed you last year of the HON3. It looks really good, and they just had the photographers there from the NMRA magazine taking photos earlier in the week, so it looks really nice. Take a look at that, the next one coming out. It'll be out in a few days. So, until the next time, we'll see ya.